Hi, today I'm going to show you how to extract images from PDF and Word document. This tutorial is part of a series of other tutorials explaining the functionalities of RPC Smart Converter. Before we continue this video, I just want to ask you to subscribe in our channel so you give us motivation to continue developing this application that you will be all using. Thank you so much. So let's proceed with this tutorial. So first of all, we begin by opening rpchost.com website. In this website, there is different tools and applications that are used by programmers and traders. So we enter rpchost.com and we go to application tools, RPC Smart Converter. And here we press on download to download the application. And we wait little until it is completely downloaded. So now we extract the setup file to any folder, to any location you desire. I will extract it to a folder in my desktop. So after being downloaded to the appropriate location, we begin the setup process. We just double-click the setup file, and we go by next, next, next. It's a simple installation process. Few seconds and the installation is complete, and this icon appears on the desktop. We double-click it, and we click on Tools, Extract, either Word or PDF. You choose what you want to extract, images. You select the source document, the Word document. I will choose this one. It contains some images. And I will select the output folder where the images they will be extracted. And I click on Extract Images. I wait little and it's completed. I click this button to see the extracted images in the output folder. The same process, we can repeat it for the PDF. As we see here, it's the same window. You select the PDF and you select the output folder and you extract the images from the PDF. Thank you for watching.